Cicada pilot, so
online.
It's okay.
Stay with us.
All systems.
Everyone
normal.
has to learn.
Oh, it's Conquest. Oh, that's good on this map.
Yeah.
So we go to Kilo.
Yeah, head towards.
Guys are so cute.
I don't even know what my freaking paint scheme looks like.
Not when you're
It just
on the
looks
enemy
cool.
side. Okay, you see where they come from. Far
Affirmative.
away.
Yep, just line it up.
Tough pushing from this side.
And moving towards Epsilon.
Lots of freaking assault mechs.
Do you want to go towards Indigo 6? Or I-6? After?
Yes.
Okay, let's do
Yeah.
it.
Let's go. Hang around. Still a long way to go.
Copy, copy. What's Theta? Is that what we should take, do you think?
Now could have the time. Let's
I
go.
think so.
They'll probably be popping up on that
Enemies,
ridge pretty soon.
Around that corner.
They're at Epsi. Yeah.
Going left or right?
I say we go left.
Sigma?
We go left, yes.
Yeah, if we go to FC,
left.
we're in trouble.
Already have
Target
somebody at
Alpha.
Sigma.
Target
Should be
acquired.
enough. Yeah, let's go for Alpha. Phoenix Hawk.
I got missiles coming in on me.
Checking the seismic.
Avoided them.
Nothing
He's
else
going
here.
topside. He's going up the hill. He's to your right, Jim. He's up high.
Oh crap!
Thank you.
Yep.
Heat and seismic.
Bravo popped his head like a stupid idiot.
Hey, watch Bravo.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's get
here
back
he comes
towards
again.
the team.
Here we go.
He's got a missile boat behind him. Don't
Mm-hmm.
don't let him spot you. Gotta get out of here. You might
Okay,
get
we running?
Hammered by missiles.
Yeah, for a little bit,
Okay,
a little
I'm running-
bit
I'm running
back
back.
to the team.
Looks like they're on
I
the
got you
ridge.
back. They're
Yeah,
on the
they're
ridge,
all over
yes.
that ridge.
Okay, I'm over. Back
Here
at
he
Theta.
is.
New target acquired.
Yeah, I can't reach that far. This is a dangerous flank if we
No.
move it.
Yeah, let's have a look.
I popped a UAV. Let's see what we got over here. Seismic says there's 3. One of them's 2
Ooh,
of them.
Indigo,
Yeah.
Indigo.
Oh yes.
New
Scratch,
target
Charlie,
acquired.
Charlie?
Still on Charlie.
Warning.
Don't push around, though.
missile.
Look out, LRM's
Careful.
inbound.
Hmm?
Alpha, the Phoenix Hawk is up there now.
Watch it, James. Big executioner's
Yep,
on the
yep,
list.
yep, yep. They've got a UAV
Yeah.
up
Got
there.
one in the distance.
we have to
spot.
fall back.
Get out.
Look at that. Alpha.
You have a UAV that, it's down. Oh, thank you. We have a UAV.
Come around.
New target acquired.
Alpha's around the corner. Alpha's around the corner. On the ground.
Echo.
Alpha CT is low.
Jim, Gig, do we want to look at the other side?
Alright, they're
Yeah,
all here,
yeah.
Hotel 6.
Go. Ah, come on.
New target
You
acquired.
guys see the Marauder at CT's crit? It should be Alpha.
Oh, Direwolf.
Yes, but he
Look at
has
that.
one person with him. I'm good if you're good.
Yep.
Okay,
go.
let's do it. Let's go, Gig.
Bob Marley?
Yeah, you know it.
Yep.
Die.
Go, 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 go.
They
I
push.
will
Go
need a
Kappa,
little
go
bit
Kappa,
longer than
Atlas.
you.
There's another one.
Careful.
Right behind him.
Yeah.
I'm
We're
here.
starting to get killed.
It's
Let's
a,
go.
it's a mad cat.
Uh-oh.
We
Yeah,
got this.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
No, I was
It's
just
all
trying to
punch
think.
back.
When
They
you
just
said
did a
mad,
push.
I thought mad dog.
Their push is not
There it
really
is.
going anywhere.
Acquired.
Bravo. Come on, Bravo.
The other guy. We have to get Juliet down.
God damn it.
Guys, keep the dire wolf handy. I will try to shoot Bravo in the ass here.
Yeah, please.
Almost got him. One more shot.
Target
Dead.
destroyed.
On Juliet.
New target
Yep.
acquired.
Almost done.
Heat level critical. Heat level critical.
Nice.
Okay, let's get back to the fight.
New target
Oof.
acquired.
I'm court.
Much of a fight left. There's
Big
4 of
stalker.
them left.
Big stalker. Stalkers.
Yeah, it's good. We did it
Once
Let's
he
take
fast.
out
loses his
A.
torso, he's dead. Oh, okay. Legs on A.
Far away. Ah, legs, legs.
Right
Target
leg.
destroyed.
He's out.
Done.
New target acquired.
Lima?
Marauder.
Lima.
He's fast, but we can do it.
Oh yeah.
Got him targeted.
Copy. Going up and over.
He's got to have an XL. You aim for his left torso. I mean, you didn't have to.
I'm around the corner. Got him. ECM's out.
Target destroyed.
Haha.
Nice.
Sorry, that was just too fun.
I saw it.
Yeah, you did. You know where I was going.
Yeah, both shooting same time.
Oh, good.
Woohoo! 9
That was
kill
fun.
assists. I'm carrying a zinger.
Ah, that's the best fun.